Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NULS coin. Few days back I shared a video with you when I told you that the price line of NULS has broken out a falling wedge pattern. By the way, it broke out two patterns. One falling wedge was on the hourly time frame, another one was on the daily time frame. Right now the price line is still moving above this support line that I told you in my last video, that after this breakout this can be our stop loss if we are trading this falling wedge on the hourly time frame chart. And right now the price line is still using this level as a support and bouncing again and again above this support. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this 1 hourly time frame chart. And I told you that on the short term we need to look out for this support of 43 cents, and the price line is not breaking down this support since after it has broken out this falling wedge on the hourly time frame chart. By the way, our final target of this falling wedge is approximately here at 62 cents. And that was also the resistance, a very resistance of an uptrend line that was on the weekly time frame, and I will show you that resistance as well. And by the way, this is the 4 hourly time frame chart, and here we have a major development. You can see that I've placed the different simple moving averages here. This yellow line is a 200, and this red line is 100. This is 50, green one, and this blue line is the 25 simple moving average. Right now the price line has broken out all these moving averages. Previously we had another attempt, very powerful attempt, to break out all these moving averages here back on 8th of Feb. By the way, when we broke out this resistance of the falling wedge on the daily time frame, then it also broke out the resistance of all these simple moving averages on the 4 hourly time frame chart. Now there are two major developments. One, we have broken out this very big resistance of the falling wedge on the daily time frame, and on the hourly time frame we have again broken out all these simple moving averages. Now these all simple moving averages can work as a nice support for the price line. And if we switch to the daily time frame from here, then we can see after December 2021 we have broken out this resistance here on 8th of Feb, and after some correction the price line is likely to move up from here. Now if we watch the very strong resistance that I have been showing you almost in my every video, and that is on the weekly time frame. Now if I switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see that we have previously this resistance breaking as a support, like back in March 2020 it worked as a support here as well in January 2021, and in July and June 2021 it has been breaking as a support, August and July. And before this breakout recently it was working as a nice support here in November 2021, and finally we have broken it out. Now recently, after breaking out this resistance of the down channel, the falling wedge pattern, we are rejected once here back on 9th of Feb. You can see we had a nice rally, the price line rejected, and we had some correction, and now it is gearing up once again. And you can see this time this resistance of this uptrend line resistance that we have previously that was working as a support is approximately at 60 cents. If the price line will be able to break it out, then we can achieve our target, that is the tail of this falling wedge here, approximately at $1.90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.